If you run a dental practice, you know the headache, right? Trying to keep communication with your dental lab smooth and simple. It's so important, but man, it can get messy really fast. Well, today, we're going to look at a totally new way forward.
You're trying to balance incredible patient care with this mountain of paperwork and back and forth, and you just have to ask yourself, isn't there an easier way to do this? We all fall back on what we know, endless phone calls and emails. But let's be real for a second. Just because it's familiar, does that actually mean it's working?
Because this is the result, right? You're digging through 100 emails trying to find one specific instruction, or racking your brain to remember what was said on that call last Tuesday. It's just a recipe for chaos, and that leads to mistakes, delays, and a whole lot of frustration.
Okay, so this is exactly the problem that NeXways was built to fix. And that's pronounced NeXways, NeXways. It's a digital dental lab solution that was literally born from this issue. The whole idea is to cut through all that chaos and give you one single streamlined place for everything. So, how does it actually work? Well, the beauty of it is how simple it is. Seriously. First, you just upload your patient's scan files and all the details. Then their expert technicians get to work using advanced CAD/CAM tech to design it perfectly. After it's produced, the final piece gets shipped right to your clinic, and get this, it's there within 5 working days. That's it, a super clear, super simple process.
Now, a simple process is great, but let's talk about what really matters: quality. At the end of the day, the final product has to be perfect. And with NeXways, it's guaranteed. Why? Because it's made in Korea. And that's not just a label, it's a stamp of incredible craftsmanship from some of the best technicians on the planet. It's a promise of excellence you can literally see. Okay, so trust is everything in medicine, right? You need to know you're working with the best. So what's with this number 6? Well, that stands for the 6 forward-thinking clinics in Europe that are already using and trusting the NeXways platform.
And that's just the beginning. That number is set to grow. In 2025, NeXways is teaming up with even more clinics in Luxembourg and France. This isn't just random growth. It's proof that the trust is building and that the quality of their work is getting noticed.
So, let's boil it all down. What does this actually mean for you and your practice? It's simple. 1, it simplifies your workflow. 2, that saves you a ton of valuable time. And 3, all that extra time, you get to pour it back into what really counts, giving your patients the absolute best care.
Look, it really is time to ditch the clutter and the old, frustrating ways of doing things. The future of your practice isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. It's about seeing what a platform like NeXways can do to bring calm, organized efficiency back into your day-to-day.